told hey. Oh shit. I feel loaded right now.
Super. No. Jania, NBA Youngboy X, baby mama. No. Stuff starting to get weird out here, dog. Can someone explain this? Why would they be on the phone together? Isn't this NBA Youngboy biggest enemy? Now do not get me wrong, I do not know what the conversation was about. It could have been about business or anything, but it's just about the principle. It's just some things you just don't do. I wonder what NBA Youngboy think about this situation. Then again, they don't talk, so but he don't run her, so you guys gotta give her the benefit of the doubt at the same time. But NBA Youngboy did say F her and the baby at the same time. I don't know, man. You guys tell me what you guys think about the situation. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, because I will be uploading on a daily. Super.